This is the most recent addition to my collection, up there with the top 3, 4, 5 coins I have, called Apollo and the Muses. It's 5 ounces of pure silver from a series called Celestial Beauty from Mint 21. They make the most phenomenal products. The first in the series was Birth of Venus. It sold for like a couple $100. It's well over 1,000. It's not even a year old. These are going to be some of the most sought after coins in numismatics. This came in an absolutely beautiful wooden box, great packaging and gold embossed lettering with a gorgeous COA. This was number 40 out of 500 coins. I already have one that's been graded at a perfect MS70. Very, very, very honored to have this. I have 3 of these coins, and this particular image was inspired by Singer Sargent, who was a great painter, lived 1856 to 1925. He was born in Florence to American parents. They were expatriates. He spent his whole life in Europe. He was a prolific genius who painted over 3,000 oil paintings. And the original of this particular image, called Apollo and the Muses, is installed in the permanent collection of the Museum of Fine Arts in Boston in 1921. It's in the Rotunda. Here's what the painting actually looks like. As you can see, it's a basic exact likeness and replica. All the great artists of that time, like the pre-Raphaelites, loved painting the ancient Greek and Roman myths and beautiful symbols of that era. So Apollo was the most important Olympic god. He is the personification of the sun. Look at the background. Look at the, Asian influence. Grapes and cypress trees. And it's incredible. It's just such a epic coin, epic. And of course the Muses, they all have names. You can look them up. They're, what inspires an artist to create? Where do they get their inspiration? That's what a muse is. So there's like the muse of poetry and of music, and of love and rhetoric. Of course, sacred hymns and geometry and grammar. There's a muse of comedy and of dance. There's a muse who's an oracle, a protector of the celestial bodies. So, these are epic, classic pieces of literature and art you hold in your hand. The relief is incredible. The antiquing is as high as the art. The reverse is a laurel, symbolic representation of achievement, accomplishment, and greatness. Just beautiful detail on that. 5 ounces of pure 9 silver, and it came in an absolutely exquisite box. I'm so happy with it. I hope you enjoyed seeing these details. I'm going to sign out.